Okay. Hi, this is Viva with WaterDamagesLocal.com, live from Fort Myers, Florida. The best water damage restoration companies in Fort Myers, Florida are the contracting services that quickly and professionally restore your water-damaged home to its previous condition. The most important decision you can make is using a licensed water damage professional in the Fort Myers area to prevent mold and mildew. For more information on water damage restoration in Fort Myers, Florida, and how to get connected with certified water damage restoration professionals, click